Swara! Swara!
Yes,
Where is my bag, man?
I kept that in cupboard.
Why did you put it in the cupboard?
You left like that in the room. That's why I kept it.
There's no need to keep that in cupboard. I've been searching in the room for half an hour, but I cannot find that bag. Do you know how important file was in that? 20 minutes ago, I had to forward it to the boss, but I haven't done it yet.
Why are you getting so much angry? I kept your bag carefully in that cupboard.
You don't need to keep anything anywhere. If I keep something somewhere, just don't touch it. You got it? Now give it to me fast. I'll get scolded a lot because of you today.
Fine.
Just go. Sir, you called me? Yes, Sagar, come, sit. Okay, Sagar, come to our house this evening with your wife for dinner. Dinner? Is it something important, sir? Yes, today is our 5th anniversary. Congratulations, sir, and happy anniversary to both of you. Thank you so much. Today you should go home early from office and try to come by 8. Okay, sir. But sir, if my wife doesn't come, can I come alone for dinner? Why won't your wife come? Is she not at home? She is at home, but what? Sir, in the morning I scolded my wife and we had a small fight. I feel that if I had asked her out for dinner this evening, she would have refused it. That's why I asked you. Oh, that's the matter. Yes, sir. Sagar, you are a very good employee, but not a good husband. But why, sir? You don't even know how to pacify an angry wife. Sir, you please give me some tips. I'll give you. I'll tell you a solution that will ensure happiness in your life forever. Look, my wife and I also have fights. And if it is my mistake, then I am the first one to admit my mistake. And if she still doesn't calm down, then I take something of her choice. Not expensive. I take something that, like my wife likes samosas and dokla. So I take it for her and say sorry to her from my heart. So, does madam agree? Yes, she is. Look, a woman doesn't need much from her husband. She only needs love and respect. If the wife feels that her husband is saying sorry from his heart, he is aware of his mistake, then she forgives him. And can I give you one more tip? Yes, sir, please. Everybody's wife is like this only. And I'm sure that if you say sorry to your wife from your heart this evening, she will definitely forgive you. Sir, definitely. I'll say sorry. And yes, take something for her which she likes in the evening. Yes, sir, definitely. Okay, be on time. Okay, sir, and thank you so much, sir. Why are you sitting here?
So where else will I sit?
Are you still angry about what happened in the morning?
No, why I will get angry?
Okay, I brought something for you.
I don't want anything.
See, your favorite red roses.
Why you brought them?
To say sorry to you.
Apologies?
Yes, I said too much this morning. I got angry at you for no reason, which I shouldn't have done at all. I admit that that bag was important for me and getting it was important too. But I got angry at you without any reason and took out all the frustration of the bag on you, which was not right. Even though it wasn't your fault, rather you did the right thing by keeping the bag in the cupboard. But I was the stupid one. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I'll never do this again. God promise.
You really feel?
Yes. Today I spent the whole day in the office thinking that I had ruined Swara's mood early in the morning. I treated her very badly. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, now please accept this flower. If you will not take it, then I'll think that you are still angry with me. Thank you so much
Why?
for forgiving me.
But no need of all of that. I would have forgiven you like that only.
I brought this so that I can accept my mistake by giving this flower to you. Okay, now get ready. We have to go.
Why?
Today is my boss's 5th anniversary, so he has invited us for dinner. So we have to go there.
Okay, I'll go and get ready in 10 minutes.
Okay, sorry.